And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Oh, almost fumbled there. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this episode, we're gonna put some NGK, some BKR7Es in here. They had the stock ones in there, man. They had the stock joints in there, so we pulled out the stock joint. We're gonna go with the colder spark plug. We're gonna gap them and get them installed and see if we can hook up the laptop and get this car running correctly. This one was wet. Like you can see the difference. All these guys black as hell because it was running really rich. This guy is wet. But we got the NGKs in here. Pull her out the garage, get it started, and plug up the laptop to it. So the last time we seen the car, baby, that's not lotion. It's not lotion. That's Vaseline, baby. It's the very next morning, early morning. Things I gotta do before I get out of here and get to work, man. But we got the plugs in, wires on. We got the laptop hooked up. We are live in the ECU right now. This is my TPS column. Hit the gas. Nothing is happening, which would probably explain the fact that when I hit the gas, it's doing a whoop, 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 whoop. So I'm just gonna go for it and switch the TPS and the idle air and see what happens. Let me do that. I can't do this with one hand, and I'll be back. TPS column now. Let's go. Right? But it says 84. Is that 0? It says 84. We're gonna try to recalibrate and see if we can get 100 out of it. Something ain't right. I'm gonna have to adjust that. I mean, 84% is pretty good though. Okay, there we go. Now we at 100. Yeah, we lit. Now that's sorted. Let's fire it back up and see what happens. This is. All right, the signature check engine light flash. Let's fire her up. Okay. How did it fire up and did not want to start now? All right, let's let her charge up a little bit. Anyhow. Absolutely horrible. I don't know why it won't fucking start now. That's crazy. That was a freaking chore. Ja. I mean, woo, all that shit burning out of that exhaust. There we go. Damn. It was sitting at like 13 just now. But that's what she sounds like, man. It takes a hell of a to get started. But she's missing, and it's telling me my engine coolant sensor, which I've changed already, is bad. Idle settings, all good, but that's the only code that I have. Full cut. We're definitely running, but we're running like ass. Let me punch some buttons and I'll be back. Took a bunch of fuel out. Let's get back live. We just took a bunch of fuel out at idle. Why do we have a fuel cut? Is what I am trying to figure out here. Maybe we got a fuel cut because of the engine coolant temp sensor, maybe? But we have to figure it out, and I have run out of time. It's almost time for me to get my ass out of here. Enable fuel cut. No, fuel cut is not enabled. Crazy. We got heat though. We for sure got heat. Got some bubblations going on out there. Maybe too much. Thinking more like right there. Let's hop outside. Got some bubbleation going on. Looking pretty dry under here. Why? I'm wondering what happens when I disconnect it. see if we can command the fans to come on. Where we at right now? 65. Fans work. Okay. So we know the fans work. I don't know, man. We gotta do some figuring. I gotta get to work. Check engine light was on for the coolant temp. And I come under here and it had a sleeve on this wire. And come to find out, inside that sleeve, these wires were just freaking touching. So we're gonna get these soldered up, taped off, plug it back in, and see if that gets rid of the check engine light. Hey, what we running? No check engine light. Crazy. So we got the jumper cables hooked up, man. Today, we tuned. So we got the laptop plugged up. And all of that. We have since messed with the tune. Got the map kind of straightened out a little bit. I'm gonna work out these right here before I get started. Connect our emulator. We're going to upload to emulator. All right, let's start this boy up. Fires right up. Let's go. See what the AFR is talking about. That's that fast idle working. We're gonna go ahead and let it warm up naturally, and when it reaches operation temperature, I'll be back. We're warmed up. We adjusted idle. Let's take it for a spin. So dreamy to drive this again. Out too. I mean, she really not that far off. Oh, should have checked the brakes before I pulled off. All right. I think we good, man. Oh yeah, baby. She loud though. I'm gonna do one more turn. I see why I'm going. Thought that was my boy for a minute. running, man.
It sounds good.
Thank you, bro.
My Honda doesn't even sound like that.
I'm just saying, you should fuck with me. My good old neighbor got the baddest EG in the neighborhood, for sure. So we took it for a test drive. And we got that going on. Bottom radiator hose seems to be leaking, so we're gonna get it back to the house and see if we can fix it. I keep thinking I'm gonna end this video and shit keeps popping up. So this is what we got going on. Radiator hose ain't on the radiator. Like, what's going on? So let me fix this. Radiator hose on, clamp installed. Bat. So on that note, we're gonna go ahead and end the video right here. We got a bad battery. The car is tuned, it's running. I've took it for a test drive. We repaired the hose. Everything is good. Owner's on his way right now with a new battery to put a new battery in here and take her home. I know it's been a long video, man. I appreciate y'all watching this far. So thank y'all for watching. And until next time, turn one. And make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe too, man. Peace. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, another happy customer. There we go.